In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block HTTP downloads in Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a useful privacy and security setting if you want to control insecure downloads and make your browser a little safer to use. Whether you're troubleshooting download behavior or adjusting Firefox preferences for better protection, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. At the top, click into the address bar and type about config, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Firefox's advanced settings page, where you can access hidden preferences and fine-tune browser behavior. As soon as the page loads, Firefox will show you a warning message. Read it carefully, then click accept the risk and continue. This is Firefox's way of reminding you that these settings are advanced and should be changed carefully. Once you're in the configuration page, you'll see a search bar near the top. In that search bar, type dom.block download insecure. Firefox will filter the list and show you the exact preference you need. If the setting appears, look to the right side for the toggle option. Click on toggle to change the value. In this case, you want to change the value to false. That means Firefox will not block those insecure HTTP downloads based on this preference. If your goal is to allow or disable the blocking behavior, this is the setting that controls it. After you change it, you can simply close the tab or continue using Firefox normally. There is no need to restart the browser, and the change should take effect right away. Just remember that changing browser security preferences can affect how downloads work, so only adjust settings you understand and trust. And that's it. You've now found the Firefox preference for insecure download behavior and changed the setting in about config. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.